What is going on, guys? My name is Benji. Welcome back to another video of mine. It's Balisong season. Today I have a second Balisong video for you guys. I know that's pretty whack as I haven't posted in a long time, but recently it's been popping and we're gonna share what we got today. An awesome guy, AJ Bryles, on Instagram reached out to me. I'll put his Instagram in the description. Go follow him, he's awesome. Reached out to me and with a proposition. He said, yo, I got a knife. It's a new knife. You haven't flipped it. Do you want to try it out? And I said, hell yeah. So today I will be posting a mini review and thoughts on the black Balisong something Balisong Rebola? Black Balisong Rebola. That sounds nice. So right now, let's get to the unboxing. I get distracted easily, guys. You know that. All right. AJ just reached out to me kind of out of nowhere. I've seen AJ and I have followed each other, been friends on Instagram for quite a bit, especially back on the day when I still had my Balisong Ben account, and you know, I was still posting more regularly over there. So he saw that I kind of hopped back on Instagram for a little bit and have been recently getting a little bit more into the Instagram Balisong scene. And so, again, he just reached out to me. Super cool. But we crack this baby open. I'm gonna switch to third person, see what this guy looks like. And that's the first peek you get of the Rebola. Now this is, I didn't even look at the pictures. Well, I did look at the pictures, but I didn't get a good look of the Rebola. I don't even know if the Rebola is a trainer, a full knife. From the looks of it so far, I am certain that it is G10. And that is, dude, already, that is really good quality. So far, it's giving me super Nautilus vibes. Drive a Nautilus inside. I'll bring it out in a second. We compare the two. Ooh, okay, so it's like a Nautilus and a pail had a baby. All right, I'm gonna stop teasing you guys. Let's check this thing out. Oh, dude. Yo. Check that out. That is thick. So we can get a little bit of a comparison here. Comparing the AB to the Rebola. And the AB is a thick knife too, compared to the Rebola. So you can see it even sticks out a bit more than that too. Oh my gosh. All right, some first impressions. My very first flips. Let's take a crack at it. Okay. Oh, wow, dude. Now this is a brand new, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sharp. Yeah, Rebola. Oh, I should show that. Dang. So if you guys notice, if you look on the tang here, I don't know if that's the tang, it's been too long, but that's a bite mark or a bite handle indicator that you can see when the knife's closed as well. That's just cool, man. First impressions, it is fun. I don't want to get too crazy with it, jiggy with it, you know, before. But I do want to get an idea for the knife. So it does definitely flip a lot different than the Alpha Beast that you've seen me flip. Grab that right here. And it's not that it's less smooth. I'm really impressed. Kind of like flipping the Alpha Beast right there, and then flipping the Rebola. Like, it's definitely an unorthodox handle shape. Especially the thickness pulls you off. Kind of trips you up. Oh my gosh. Right out of the box. Tolerances, that's me pushing as hard as I can. With one hand, of course. Fantastic swing. Now, I'm not sure. I'm fairly certain it's bushings, not bearings. I could totally be wrong though. Oh, that looks cool. So it's I don't know if you guys know what kind of blade style that is. Comment, because I actually have no idea. But it has a crown spine all the way up to there, where it then begins the ridge in the back of the knife, more so. Now it looks like, I don't think the Rebola is full handmade, but it does look crazy cool. Yeah, so no color, which I don't mind in the least. I like kind of minimalistic knives to begin with. I'm guessing that the liners are stainless, but I'm actually not sure. Again, this is just my first impressions, and I'm not keeping this knife for a long time, so. Oh, it definitely, because of the thicker handles. So it's interesting. It's large handles, but it's decently thin liners with very, very thick G10 scales. And so it's not the best for things like those choker fans. As you see, I didn't even complete that one there. But holy cow, like rollovers and stuff with this dude, feel fantastic. Again, I don't want to get too crazy. This is a brand new knife. Dude, okay, that's so hype. Dude, AJ, you're the best, man, for letting me try this out. This is super cool. First impressions, incredibly smooth action, like crazy smooth out of the box. Better action than that AB, which I'm pretty sure the Rebola is 150 bucks. Again, none of these things you can quote me on, guys, but as my memory serves me, the Rebola is $150. The Alpha Beast is $370. Out of the box, this with zero tap. I mean, the Alpha Beast had zero tap too. That's because it was cranked to the brim. This thing has zero tap, as you already saw. Zero play. Perfect action. If I could get that Alpha Beast to the action and the play and the tolerances of this knife, I would pay $550 for a knife like that. The only reason I don't pay that much for Alpha Beast is, one, the market doesn't say they're worth that much, and also because it's hard to do that, dude. It's hard to get a knife this good. Holy cow, actually. First impressions are it's kind of insane. I don't want to hype it up too much though, because only time will tell. But I do want to say that it definitely has better tolerances, and kind of just looking at it, that looks great in the light too. It almost looks red from that side angle, but that's just a reflection. I personally like a little closer handles, right about like there, but these coming out a little bit more, similar to a pail, actually, interestingly enough. Like I said earlier, a Paeltius knife. It's very similar to that, handle-wise, thickness-wise. Oh, dude. Oh, a little ASMR. We'll do a quick little comparison. So one of these actually has knife pivot lube on it, the other doesn't. Can you guys guess which one? The one that, in my opinion, sounds slightly worse, has KPL on it, which is the Alpha Beast, dude. That is rich, man. I don't know what to do with that information. I'm blown away by the Rebola. I did not expect the package I got, especially if this thing only costs $150. Again, only first impressions, but I'd say it's completely worth $150. And I'd probably pay, if it was a little thinner, I'd pay close to rep prices for a knife like this. Especially, dude, the tolerances that it came with. That's actually insane. I'm very hyped, if you guys can't tell. Alright. I should end the video though. Sometime. Dude, okay. And Chaplin balance is kind of crazy. Definitely better in the sun. Again, definitely needs some help with chokers, but other than that, first impressions are insane. Black Balisong, congratulations. You have my seal of approval. YouTube, best way to support this video is to like the video. Best way to support my channel is to subscribe. My name is Benji. Thanks for watching another video. Peace.